think it is so cool that Marshall is sponsoring this event and that 100% of the proceeds are going towards suicide prevention.
The Sound of Hope 5K run. Woo!
It's early, it's cold, but people are out here and enjoying each other and ready to run a 5K.
I'm glad people still came despite the cold weather. I think that just emphasizes the importance of the cause.
Suicide prevention was super important to the majority of the company.
This is something that really our state and really our nation is really dealing with and losing people.
Everybody knows somebody that's either committed suicide or considered committing suicide or they've considered it themselves.
We have social media and we see the best of everybody's lives, but we never really know what's going on. And so if we put something on like this, it shows that we're watching out for them. Like, hey, we're looking for you because we want to find you. We want to help you. And for this to happen, for people to get out and to communicate and to be exercising.
Kind of get the endorphins going. Everyone starts feeling good. Everyone's kind of a happy place.
Quite a good turnout, I feel like, for our first event.
The course was awesome. It's right along the Jordan River. It's paved.
It was nice to see all the mountains. It was nice to see the little river on the side, the bushes, get the last bit of fall before we get some snow in here.
And I'm so happy that this company, Marshall, they've put in this great event.
You know, it's not like they're taking a percentage of doing it. It's not anything for their company, but for the community and for this cause.
That's what we need. We need more businesses like that, more people like that. It's going to help us all grow together.
It's really awesome, Marshall, to do that. There's a lot of people out there who are in need of somebody to just talk to them.
If it helps one person, then it will all be worth it.